Welcome back everyone to another video, and today I have for you a special one, and we're looking at some of the best custom themes for the PSP 1000, 2000, 3000, PSP Go, PSP Street, and finally the PS Vita. So these themes will work on all of those consoles as long as you have everything all set up. And if this is your first time looking at custom themes for the PSP, I have a full guide on how to get that properly set up for your console as long as you have custom firmware running. If you don't have custom firmware running, I'll also tag another video down below so you can go check that out and install custom firmware on your PSP models. They're very easy to do, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3, and I have a full guide so you can go through that and get that all going. As for the PS Vita, you will have to have Adrenaline running. This is a basic application that has the full interface of the PSP, but you do have to be downgraded to a certain firmware of 3.60 or 3.65. I have full guides on how to do that. Everything will be in the description down below if this is your first time ever looking at this kind of stuff. And also within Adrenaline, once you have that up and running, you will have to install the XMB plugin, which is required to run these custom themes off in Adrenaline, which another video I have full tutorial guide on how to do that in the description down below. So without further ado, let's get started on looking at some of the best themes you can install on your consoles. So that is it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Those are some of my favorite themes I have installed on my consoles, and I have so many more to show you. Let me know what you thought about these themes or what you thought about this video by giving it a thumbs up and letting me know with a comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys on the next one.